Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be starting on lesson 4, and lesson 4 is a review. So this will give you time to kind of catch up and review some things that you may be having trouble with. It is a review of lesson 4, and it is April 15th. Today is Wednesday. So the first thing we're going to start out with is our tricky words. I know you get tired of doing these tricky words, but it's good to review so that when you look at them, you don't even have to think about it. You just know that that word is what that word is, just by looking. But we're going to slow things down a little, and we're going to spell each word and then say each word, okay? So let's start with this one. Some of you might even already know what it is. If you do, that's great. That's what I want you to do. Look at it and go, oh, I know that's the word, win. But we're going to spell it and say it together. You ready? W-H-E-N says win. W-O-R-D says word. Okay, let's spell this one. W-H-Y spells why. Okay, let's spell this word. T-O spells the word two. O-N-E spells the word one. F-R-O-M spells the word from. W-A-S spells the word was. Okay, let's go ahead and spell this word. W-E-L-L-O-W spells the word yellow. Okay, spell L-O-O-K spells the word look. Spell A spells the word A or a. Okay, let's spell B-L-U-E spells the word, oh, and I'm wearing that color, blue. A-N, let's start over. A-N-D spells the word and. R-E-D spells the word red. And what color is Anne's dress in the story we just read yesterday? Red. Let's spell the word I. And what's that word? I. And let's spell this word. T-W-O. And what word does that spell? Two. Okay, and let's spell this word. I-S spells is. Okay, spell T-H R, E, E. And that spells the word 3. Okay. And the next word, let's see. Spell it. T, H, E. What word does that spell? The, or you can say the dress or the dress. Let's spell O, F. What's that spell? Of. Okay. Let's spell this word. A, R, E spells the word R. L, I, T, T, L, E. What word does that spell? Little. Okay, let's spell this word. D, O, W, N. What word does that spell? Down. Good job. Okay, let's spell this word. O, U, T spells the word out. Okay, and the next word. A, L, L spells the word all. Okay, and we're back at the beginning. Now remember, I said today is a review. There's nothing new today. So, the next thing that we are going to review are your uppercase letters that we talked about and what sound these uppercase or capital letters make. Okay? So, let's start with the first one that we learned all the way up to the last uppercase letter that we've learned. Okay? What's this uppercase letter? A. Now, what sound does it make? Remember, it's like crying like a baby. Ah. Ah. Okay, let's review how to write it. This is review, so y'all get ready and do it with me. Put your finger in the air to skywrite. Okay, you're going to say diagonal left, lift, diagonal right, and line across. Capital A. Okay. The next capital letter to review is what letter? B. What sound does B make? B. B. Now let's review how to skywrite the capital B. Put your finger in the air. You're going to start at the top line. Long line down, lift, circle to the right, circle to the right. And that makes the uppercase or capital B. Okay, our next capital letter that we are going to review is what letter? Right here. C. What sound does C make? K, k. All right. Put your finger in the air. Let's skywrite the capital C. You're going to make most of a circle to the left. Remember that. Start at the top line. A little bit under the top line, and you're going to curve, and you're going to make most of a circle to the left. Capital C. Okay? The next capital or uppercase letter we're going to look at is what letter? D. What sound does D make? D. D. All right. Put your finger in the air and let's skywrite. Long line down. Lift. and then half a circle to the right. Uppercase D. Okay. And the next capital or uppercase letter is the letter E. Good job. Now, put your finger in the air. We're going to skywrite the uppercase E. Straight line down, line across, and line across. That's the capital E. What sound does E make? Remember, you put your hand up to your ear, and what sound do you make for E? Eh. Eh. Okay? Next capital letter is the uppercase letter F. And what sound does the letter F make? Like blowing a bubble. Okay? Put your pointer finger in the air, and we're going to skywrite the uppercase F. Okay? Do it with me. Long line down, line across, and that makes the uppercase F. And remember, if I'm moving a little bit too fast, you can always go back and watch again, okay? Or you can pause in each letter and practice on your own when you pause it. Okay, what's the next uppercase letter? G. Okay, what sound does the letter G make? G as in gum, G, and J as in giraffe. Okay, we're going to do most of a circle to the left. Put your finger in the air, it's most of a circle to the left, and then line across. And that makes the uppercase G. Okay? And the last capital letter that we have talked about is the letter H. H. What sound does the letter H make? Remember, like when I'm fanning and when it's hot, what sound does it make? Good. Now let's practice writing the uppercase H. Remember, we always start at the top line. Skywriting finger, ready, go. Straight line down, lift. Straight line down, lift. Line across. And that makes the uppercase H. Very good. Remember, as I said, this is all review. There is nothing new. The next thing that we are going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tell you what your homework is for tonight, which worksheet to do. And then part 2 of the lesson, I'm going to put a link up for when we read the story, Anne's Dress, to go with this lesson. And what you will do after this lesson is you will click on that part 2 link for Anne's Dress and practice reading it again. Okay? Anne's Dress. Now, here's your worksheets for homework that you will be doing. Okay? You're going to do activity page 4.1. Remember, this is lesson 4 review. So you're going to be doing in Skills 9, worksheet 4.1. Okay? And you're going to also do activity page 4.2, okay, for homework. So this concludes this part of the lesson, and then you will click on that link, and I want you to review and practice reading Anne's Dress. All right, boys and girls, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.